Hi, my name's Denise, and I wanted to talk about how we got into DIY microcement and wanting to create a kit that would be easily usable by your average DIYer. I came across microcement when we were renovating one of our properties. We have some investment properties, and I was really intrigued by the idea of not having to demo and being able to go right over, existing surfaces. That's huge when it comes to time and money. And I had to order it from Europe. It was actually from Spain. It took a long time to arrive. The support was only during business hours, short business hours, European hours, which was not very helpful to an American DIYer, particularly with no weekend hours. That was big because a lot of us did DIY on the weekends. So, I looked at my husband and I said, we can do this better. I love this product. I did a very large counter, and then I did some smaller ones, bathroom counters, and then another one of our houses, I did another countertop, and I actually doubled it up, so it was almost 3 inches thick. It was beautiful, and I just fell in love with the product. And again, I looked at my husband and I said, we can do this better. I know we can. And so our microcement journey began, and we are launching, and I'm so excited about it. Microcement is not very well known in the US, and that's part of our mission, is to get it recognized more. It's very protected by the trades, which I understand, because there's certain results that you're likely only going to get through a professional, but there are many scenarios where it can be DIY'd and has been, and I've loved the result. Particularly that whole wabi-sabi look, mixing it with woods and warm materials, but I know my DIY girlies know how to mix finishes and to get beautiful results. So here we are, and it's new and it's scary, but it's exciting, and we're having our container arriving in less than a week, and we are moving forward. We're looking to both bring it to your local hardware stores so that you can just go in and buy it there. We're also selling directly online. So, we're ready to take this ride. So we're very excited, and hopefully you'll be seeing it soon.